So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to export a video here in Alight Motion. So let's just say I have my masterpiece right here and you wanted to save it. Rather than pressing on the video, go ahead and press off of the video to get this screen. Then go to the top right to where there's that green button with the arrow, then select that. Once you're here, you can select how to export and share it. So you can do this in the form of a video, you can make this a GIF, you can make this an image sequence, do what you got to do. Now, if you have the Pro version, you can make a project package or upload to cloud, or you can just save it as a current PNG file. But if you wanted to save this as a video right here, you can go ahead and do that. It'll show you the file right here. You can do the resolution, the frame rate, the quality, etc. And if this looks good to you and you want to export, go to the bottom, press export by watching an ad, and then you can export the video that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to export a video here in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.